Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. Thank you for coming back to my channel. I'm Juliet Migwi. It's Christmas time or almost Christmas time, and I'm making for you a light cloudy Christmas ornament that allows light to shine through. And for that I'll use this mold, this Christmas mold, a star mold. We have some pinata alcohol ink in white. We'll add some iridescent white. I have a red gold alcohol ink and just a very little bit of silver glitter, just very little. And so let me mix the resin, wear my gloves and mask, then show you how we do this quick and easy. See how I fill them over and above so that they dome and not be too flat, just instead of having to come and add a coat of clear. All right, they've cured. That red alcohol, the color golden red, did not turn out as red, but it's golden. Maybe next time I should add a little bit of maybe like a red, tomato red paste into it so that it brings out the red. But nowadays Christmas ornaments don't have to be red. They just need to have a shine and to look nice on the tree, and this is something different. So I'm just going to demold for you something simple, but I'm already looking inside and I'm seeing how whimsical and cloudy it is, right?
let's demold it. It's pretty easy to demold. Then I'll show you a close-up. Here you are. I don't know if you can see it nicely. Maybe when I do the reveal with the ribbon, you can see this is how it is at the back. The sparkles settled at the base. But when you look inside, I don't know if you see in this close-up, you can see how cloudy it is inside, even sideways. Just the reds floating inside, and not a block, you know, not a block color. So it looks really, really nice. Imagine this on a white tree or with the light against it. So watch how I finish it. I have decided to just add, using my Moloto paint, I've just decided to add a light trim at the edges in gold. It actually makes a little difference in the outline. You can see this little outline makes a difference. Not too much so it overpowers, because I still want it to have the whimsical look, but enough that you can see the little outline against the colors. I wanted to show you how it looks against something dark. That's how it is. You can see the whites and the reds. So against the natural light, it's not as easy to see the whites and the shimmers, but now at least you can see what I meant. You can see the cloudy effect of the colors. Very, very nice. Don't forget to watch the others in this Christmas series, and subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out future ones. And also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Juliet Migwi Inspires to see how I style this and any others that I might get orders for Christmas. God bless you, Baraka Tele. See you on my next video.